Why do some people keep getting richer while others stay stuck? It's not always luck, it's habits and mindset. Here are 15 things poor people do that the rich don't. Number 15 might just change everything for you. 1. Living beyond their means. Poor people often spend more than they earn to look rich. Rich people live below their means so they can build wealth. Spend less than you make, that's where freedom starts. 2. Not investing. The poor avoid investing. The rich make it a priority. Let your money grow while you sleep. 3. Watching instead of learning. Poor people consume entertainment. Rich people consume information. Swap one show a day for a book or podcast, it adds up. 4. Thinking only about today. The poor think short-term. The rich think long-term. One is chasing, the other is building. 5. Blaming others. Poor people point fingers. Rich people take ownership. Blame wastes time. Responsibility builds power. 6. Fearing failure. The poor avoid failures. The rich fail forward. Every setback is a step toward success. 7. Buying liabilities. Poor people buy things that lose value. Rich people buy assets that grow value. If it doesn't make you money, think twice. 8. No budget. The poor avoid tracking their money. The rich know where every dollar goes. You can't grow what you don't measure. 9. Same circle, same results. Poor people stick to comfort zones. Rich people upgrade their circle. Surround yourself with people who stretch you. 10. Wasting time. Poor people kill time. Rich people protect it. Time is your most valuable currency. 11. Working harder, not smarter. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people build systems that scale. Work smarter, not just harder. 12. One income stream. The poor rely on one job. The rich create multiple income streams. More streams, more security. 13. Avoiding all risk. Poor people play it too safe. Rich people take calculated risks. Growth requires discomfort. 14. Spending before saving. Poor people spend, then try to save. Rich people save first. Pay yourself before anyone else. 15. Thinking they can't be rich. Poor people believe wealth isn't for them. Rich people know anyone can learn, grow, and build. Change your mindset. And you'll change your life now that you've seen the 15 things. Which habit are you ready to break? Which one will you replace starting today? Success is built one decision at a time. Subscribe for more powerful content. And remember, 2025 is yours if you claim it.